What to use for cold sores on lips? There are actually 3 cold sore lips treatment choices. Over-the-counter medications, some lotions as well as ointments are actually offered without a prescription. Individuals might have the ability to use these options straight to the cold sore. They may also utilize these products when they first discover a tingling or even burning feeling prior to a cold sore develops. Prescription medications. Doctors might recommend antiviral medicines to accelerate the healing process. Intravenous antiviral medications. If other treatment options are actually not efficient, doctors might recommend an IV antiviral medication. They might need to screen the individual throughout their treatment. Prescription products. Valacyclovir, Valtrex, is actually an antiviral medication that aids cold sores on lips recover quicker as well as shortens the period of sores throughout outbreaks. Doctors might likewise recommend this medication for genital herpes, shingles, as well as chickenpox. The Nationwide Collection of Medication, NLM, recommends that individuals utilize valacyclovir as quickly as they begin experiencing cold sore signs. These signs might consist of tingling, itching as well as burning. Famciclovir, Famvir, is actually a prescription medication that aids treat repeat outbreaks of HSV cold sores on lips. This medication comes as a tablet, as well as individuals can easily get 500 mg as a single dosage, either along with or even without meals. The NLM suggests that individuals start treatment using this medication at the very initial cold sore symptom. Penciclovir, Dinavir, is actually offered as a topical cream, as well as it helps in reducing discomfort as well as itching associated with cold sores on lips. The NLM states that doctors might recommend it for people aged 12 years as well as older. Individuals needs to utilize this cream as quickly as they discover any cold sore signs. They can easily use this medication once every 2 hours for 4 days. Over-the-counter products. Individuals may likewise purchase products for cold sores on lips without a prescription. They may start treatment along with these options within 24 hours of initial cold sore signs. Abrevadocuzanol is actually an antiviral cream that may help treat recurring cold sores on lips. The manufacturer claims that it prevents HSV from going into the surrounding tissues. The manufacturer also states that this item can easily recover cold sore blisters in as little as 2 to 5 days. Nevertheless, the typical healing time appears to be 4 days. Abreva suggests this item for people aged 12 years as well as older. People that are actually expecting or even taking care of should look for clinical guidance prior to utilizing. Zolactin Cold Sore Gel. This item includes benzyl booze. It can easily promote healing as well as soothe discomfort for as much as 6 hours, as it types a safety level over the cold sore. In accordance with the NLM, people needs to not eliminate this safety level, as this can easily trigger skin layer irritation or even tenderness. To get rid of this layer, individuals needs to use another coat of Zolactin gel as well as clean the area immediately. Bion's Rosa Licorice Origin Cream. Some research states that licorice root has actually antiviral as well as antibacterial properties. It appears to avoid HSV coming from replicating as well as prevents microbial work. In accordance with the Nationwide Facility for Corresponding as well as Integrative Health and Wellness, licorice is actually a meals component typically thought about risk-free. Nevertheless, hefty usage while pregnant might result in early labor.
Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for my upcoming herpes treatment videos.